Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So I'm going to just navigate and show you everything that I've added and updated with this system that I've mentioned in the one of the previous videos. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the updates of our LiveGood system here. But in doing so, I want to explain and make it clear to people that this entire system is a software that I developed myself, and it has its own built-in admin panel and everything that you can rebrand. And the entire admin panel is everything you would need to create lead magnets. It's got a built-in editor. It's like what you see is what you get type editor. WYSIWYG is what we call it. It's got built-in graphics, everything. It's all completely drag and drop. So bear that in mind. You can get access to this software. I'll put the link below to how you can download and get the software. But follow on, because I've made some updates. If you didn't see the previous video, don't worry. You'll see most of it anyway here. But there's a lot of changes, a lot of updates, and it really makes it so customizable. If you were to look at creating a system like this for your team, for whatever company you're promoting. Let's say, for example, you just joined a brand new company, you want to create some noise, you want to get your team really excited and motivated to have a system. One of the biggest questions I get when I join a new opportunity is, do we have some funnels? Do we have some pages? Do we have what promotional material do we have? Well, guys, you could set one of these up for the new company that you've just joined or whatever, or opportunity. Or if you've been in a company for a while and they just don't have enough promotional stuff, this is great. It'll allow you to create an entire funnel system. No lead capture pages or anything. What it is, you'll see what it is. It's a download system it creates lead magnets on the fly, and everything is customizable. For example, this is the brander page. We'll go through the banner, the background, the video here, obviously the labeling, what company you're promoting, and obviously the lead magnets that you want to put in here are you can add them in. It's so easy. We've got some done for you lead magnets already added into the software so that you can use those or just use the built-in editor to tweak them if you want. But using it combined with ChatGPT or an AI tool to get your lead magnets out there, it's very, very easy. And we've got the built-in graphics and the styling. We'll talk about that in a bit. But let me show you what you can do. So obviously this particular system is for LiveGood. So you would put your name in here. It all works in the same sort of way. You can put your full name or your first name or whatever. You put your username of the company you're promoting. In this case, it's LiveGood. That's part of your referral link. And then you can choose a lead magnet. These are what you would obviously create using the built-in tool. And it's really effortless. So that you can, your users, this is what your users will go through and just to decide what kind of lead magnet they want to choose, and you can add more. You can either set up the gated access, so to prevent your leads from being able to access the brander tool, this brander tool. And why is that powerful? It's powerful because the brander tool in itself is kind of a lead magnet as well. All right, making sure that people join you first and take action, then they get access to the lead magnet. To the brander tool is powerful. So you could either, if you leave that as it is by default, that's how it is. It's gated, and you'll see what it is. If you decided you want to put that like that and check it, people will get access when they click the button if they want to get access to the rebrand tool on the front end. But the slight downside of that is that a lot of people just get access. They're not going to necessarily join you. They might already be in the opportunity. And you might be thinking, well, that's kind. Yes, of course it's kind. But then the whole point is that you want them to encourage them to reach out to you. And when they do reach out to you, that's a beginning of a relationship. That's what it's all about in this industry, a relationship. Then they said, can I have access to your brander tool? And you say, well, yeah, sure. How are we partnered up, by the way? Let's partner up in something so that I'm happy to give you access. You word it how you want. But anyway, let's leave it like that. So you click rebrand and immediately you get your download links. This is your download page. You copy it to clipboard. This is copy that to clipboard, and you share that out privately, for example. But this is the download page that has your branded PDF. You can preview the page, and there is your lead magnet. The graphic is automatically added there. The title and the subtitle is added there. The various buttons. This is a little attention bar. It's pretty powerful. It gives people an opportunity they want to access the brander tool. And remember, we didn't select the access. So in other words, it's gated. So when they try to access the brander tool by clicking that, a pop-up window says join me in LiveGood, blah blah blah. And the same applies here. It's all gated, and there's an exit pop-up as well if they try to exit the page. It's all branded to you. Obviously, when they download the PDF, it's created on the fly. So your name will be in here as the person sharing it out, and it's all completely branded to you. It's well designed, and the links go to you. It's designed so that you get the credit. And then they can also join your business opportunity because you put your username in there. So when they join that, they go to your URL with your username in there. It's all branded to you. So just remember, guys, that everything in here is customizable. And if you're the admin and you want this software, you get to customize everything with a simple, intuitive admin back office of your own. When they get to join the community, you again, the admin gets to put what community they want, community link like a Facebook or a Telegram or whatever. This is brand new. I mean, this attention bar at the bottom is brand new, and this access resources is powerful because I wanted to add this because if an admin wanted to create a system like this and they had quite a few lead magnets already, it's just nice to be able to have a way to present these lead magnets in a nice way so that they're all available, just to give them more of a chance to see what else we've got available. And if you created loads of lead magnets, it doesn't matter because it automatically sets up a kind of a page navigation. So page 1, page 2. But if you haven't got more than 5, for example, you've got less than 5 on the page, this won't even appear. So, and then you've got all your links here. So this is all rebranded. So all your links here for the resources. And then the leads can search. If they want something particularly centered around MLM, then they only get whatever's related to MLM. And have to do anything. It's already set up. It's part of the system. So it's generic enough to work with any opportunity. So if they want something related to this particular opportunity, is centered around LiveGood, it's health and wellness. So they're looking for something specifically health related, then they've got a couple of download options. And every page, including the brander system, has so everything can be translated into other languages. So that's pretty powerful. And yeah, I mean, that's really about it, guys. It's really as simple as that. Okay, so well, let me show you the admin panel. This is what you would get if you decided you wanted to purchase the software. When you're logged in, you'll see my updates. You'll get updates from me dynamically, so we can keep giving you more value. I've got some nice tools down here, such as AI image generator prompt system. So this can actually allow you to create your own prompts for your lead magnets, your graphics that you're going to need. And it's really powerful, trust me. You get an AI lead magnet prompt generator. Again, really powerful. It'll create a prompt for ChatGPT if you want to create the prompt in ChatGPT and get you to do that. You've got the full brander tool settings. So you can upload your banner, your main mockup for your brander tool, your background graphic. You can change the color settings. You've got the labels for what company you're promoting and the different labels over here. You've got the access to your community Facebook group or whatever group you want, or a Telegram or a WhatsApp or whatever. You've got your full brand of a custom link. You've got your brand business URL of your own, your YouTube video there for your brander tool, a little pop-up modal that comes up. It kind of hovers over just to welcome. Obviously, this is completely nothing, not in use. So yeah, even if you've got a lead magnet system built in, this is powerful. All right. So you can select the lead magnets if there are any lead magnets that already exist, and then they automatically load into the system. So everything is fine. It's a WYSIWYG editor. It's drag and drop. You can change things, you can edit, or you can start from scratch. And by simply putting in your lead magnets in here and the template name and the headline and the subheadline, and you can select a mock-up graphic, everything automatically adds into the system so that within minutes you could have an entire lead magnet right from scratch. Now, since this is a live system, I'm not going to put anything in there because I've got people using the system, but you get a lot of these graphics. You can also upload graphics. You can use the upload tool and it uploads to your own server. Obviously, there are some configuration steps as well for this editor to work, but you've got the placeholders for the dynamic tags. So if you want to put the person's dynamic name, it'll just put the name in there. So hello and welcome. My name is so-and-so, and this would be the name of the person sharing out the lead magnet. So it dynamically adds that in there. You could also put the referral ID, and then you've got the tutorials. I've put all the tutorials in here so you would completely understand how things work. And then you've got the update password. So guys, I mean, it's as simple as that. Don't want to go on too long, but we had a similar video to this. I just want to talk about the updates and just this is a live system. It's already working. So if you wanted to use this and you're part of LiveGood, you're welcome to. I did mention it was part of my team. But guys, if you want to come to me and say you want to have access, absolutely. I'll put the link to this below as well, so you can actually use this system. But go careful. This is not a mass marketing system. I like to see it as a recruiting system. Give out your links responsibly don't mass market it. If you want to send a lot of traffic, put your own lead capture pages in front of it just to protect everything. I'm not running things on advanced, dedicated, bulletproof servers. Just go careful. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you want a system like this. It's all set up. Yeah, you can go to rebrandexpress.com, and I'll put the link I'll put the link below in the video. But you can learn more about this system and the features. All the links are here so that you can use it. I look forward to working with you guys. And thanks for watching. Cheers for now, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.